Imagine you and your roommate are hosting a huge party tonight, and things in the kitchen are getting busy. You need to make a massive batch of your famous fruit punch. But if you randomly guess the measurements, you risk ruining the flavor of the entire batch. To pull this off, you need a ratio. Think of a ratio as a mathematical recipe. It is a way to compare two amounts that share the same unit of measurement. This diagram shows the exact recipe. 3 cups of apple juice compared to 4 cups of lemonade, written using a colon or as a fraction. If you double the recipe to 6 cups and 8 cups, you still maintain that underlying ratio. As long as you maintain that specific comparison of ingredients, the flavor stays consistent, whether you are making a single glass or 100 gallons. With the punch covered, you check the fridge to see if there are enough alternative drinks for guests who might want something else. Sitting on the shelf, you find exactly 15 cans of soda and 10 bottles of water. This grid shows our inventory ratio of 15 to 10. Large numbers make it difficult to quickly see the balance. We simplify this by dividing both sides by their largest common factor, 5. This gives a simplified ratio of 3 sodas to 2 waters. You still have the same amount of drinks. Simplifying a ratio just reduces the math to its cleanest, most understandable form. Before heading to the grocery store for snacks, you sit down in the living room and start pooling your cash. You have a 54-pound budget, but your roommate invited more people to the party, so you agree to split the total cost based on a 4-to-5 ratio. This bar represents the entire 54 pounds. To divide it up, we first find the total number of parts. By adding the two sides of our ratio, 4 plus 5, we get 9 equal parts in total. Next, we find the value of a single part. We take our total 54 pounds and divide it by those 9 blocks, which gives us exactly 6 pounds per block. Finally, you multiply that 6 pounds by your individual shares. 4 parts times 6 gives you 24 pounds, and 5 parts times 6 gives your roommate 30 pounds. Ratios provide a reliable way to divide shared resources fairly when people have unequal stakes in the outcome. You arrive at the grocery store and head straight to the snack aisle to pick up candy. Here, we encounter the concept of proportion. A proportion is an equation stating that 2 different ratios are equal to each other. The store sign says 8 chocolate bars cost 6 pounds, but you need 10 bars. We set this up as a fraction. 8 bars over 6 pounds equals 10 bars over an unknown cost, which we'll call x. This is a direct proportion. As the number of chocolate bars goes up, the total cost at the register must increase at the same rate. To solve for x, we use cross multiplication. You multiply diagonally. 8 times x gives you 8x, and 6 pounds times 10 bars gives you 60. To finish, simply divide that 60 by 8. This reveals that your 10 chocolate bars will cost exactly 7 pounds and 50 pence. Understanding direct proportion allows you to scale any known price, speed, or quantity to fit your specific needs. Fast forward to the next morning. The party was a success, but the living room is covered in trash. You have a tight deadline to clean up. After your last big event, it took 4 people 5¼ hours to finish. Today, you have 7 people willing to help. This is an inverse proportion. As the number of people working goes up, the time required drops. Multiply the original 4 people by 5.25 hours to get 21 total labor hours. Divided by 7 helpers today, the job takes 3 hours. Inverse proportions let you measure efficiency, proving exactly how much time you save when a workload is shared. Thanks to the extra hands, the house is spotless, and you finished right on schedule. Throughout this process, you use tools to mix punch, split a budget, scale grocery prices, and predict your cleaning time. Ratios describe the relationship between different quantities, and proportions provide the formula to scale those relationships up or down accurately. These calculations take the guesswork out of daily tasks, giving you a clear way to manage your time and your resources.